So over here, you can see that I am in a visual report view, and you can see that I got some data right here, and they are represented with different colors. For example, blue and orange is applied right here on this particular report. So if you want to go ahead and change the theme of the report, that is, if you want to change out the text and then the color of the report, then you can go around over here under themes right here under the report design, and then over here you can see that there are different themes over here that you can choose. For example, you can go around and choose Berlin right here, and the overall font and the color schemes, as you can see right here. You can go around over here and then also choose, let's say for example, different colors and different fonts over here as well as you like. So if you were to go around and change out the theme, then it changes out everything, the fonts, the colors. But if you just want to change out the colors, then you go around onto the color section and choose the color scheme that you want. And then you can also go around onto the font and select a font that you like right here. And that is how you can change out the report themes inside of Microsoft Project as you like to get the look you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.